Hello there, my name's Dawn and I'm trying to create for you a course in Greek from the very beginning all the way through to upper levels. I'm predominantly doing this course for those whose first language is English and you have no concept or little concept of other languages where you have nominative, genitive and accusative within the language. This can be very confusing and complicated if you don't have much understanding of this. I'm assuming you have watched my first introductory lesson where I go through the alphabet and pronunciation. I suggest you get yourself an exercise book, as I'm going to go through from beginning all the way through the course of Greek and hope that you will write each section down as a good reference guide. Don't forget to leave some blank pages at the front though, as you will want to create an index so you can have a quick look reference rather than going through the whole book to try and find what you're looking for. I'm going to try and make this course as simple as possible, and I've done it in the way that I would have liked to have seen it. So when I was learning Greek, it wasn't as difficult as it appeared. So I want to keep it very simple, but hopefully you'll understand it. So I'm trying to keep it almost so you can write graphs and charts as a reference for simple understanding. I suggest you do the course in the right order, but of course skip any parts you know, or if you're already doing Greek, you may have well covered most of these things. So good luck. If you've got any questions, please ask below and I'll do my very best to write an answer for you or a simplified version. As I say, I'm doing this very simply, so please try and bear with me, keep up and always go back and check things you're not sure of. I use a lot of colours in my learning and as I say, charts and graphs so you have a good reference guide. Good luck and keep going.